Hi there, I'm Ron, and we're always trying to do new stuff, and we're always trying to push our boundaries, because if we don't, then all we do is sit around and mope. And one of the boundaries that we've been trying to push is me. You know, my very existence has been pushing a boundary, and using all this technology so that I can exist has been pushing a boundary. And today, the boundary that we're pushing is not using some of the technology. Instead, we're going to be using Mr. R's throat. And we're going to be, well, Mr. R's been working on my voice for a while here, and I know it's not perfect. And even now, Mr. R is like kicking himself right now because he's like, I need to do this voice better. I need to make this voice better. But today, we're not just going to be doing the voice. That would be boring, I'm pretty sure, on a technology channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the Elgato HD60X video capture card. Yes. This is the HD60X. Well, actually, it's just the box. See, it's empty. Oh, there's a back of the box. I didn't even think about looking at the back of the box. Oh, well. Yeah, we've already gone. There it is. We have already gone and installed the Elgato HD60X hardware. It's got a video in, a video out, and well, that's the HDMI pass-through going to the big monitor. And we've got a USB-C connector, which, let me give you a little more slack here, which you can see is connected. And I'm giving you the required view of the box. That's a headset jack. And now, we tried doing this multiple times and found that trying to actually record on OBS while configuring it was causing our video to have issues. So we've already done all the installs, and we're just going to show it to you the way it is. So let's show you what it looks like in Device Manager. So when we first installed the hardware, all we had to do is plug it all in and come into Device Manager, and immediately in our cameras listing here, we saw that we have an Elgato HD60X sitting right there. Yeah, we didn't have to install any software. It loaded all by itself. And there is pretty much nothing you can really configure here. It's just a regular device. And that was that. It's already there. There was no work to do. Now we're going to have to show you OBS. Pardon the mess, but we'll be showing you OBS. Okay. So here we are in OBS. Pardon the mess. And you can hear the PlayStation music in the background. And there's an Elgato audio item here in the audio mixer. And you see that we have an Elgato item, but it's behind the video portion that's showing you the OBS. So let's double click on that to bring it up. And now you see that we have a device called an Elgato HD60X. It is, of course, a camera, so it's a video device. So you would come into here and click Add, and you would select a video device, video capture device. And that would bring up the basic for this, and then click on the Elgato, and then scroll down. Oops, scroll down. I don't know why it stops working. And you see how it says custom audio device there. That's not normally checked. You check it. And this Elgato item right here, yeah, the one right here, will turn on. And then, of course, you have to tell it what channel. This is all OBS stuff, which I'm sure we can do another video, or you could see one of the hundreds of videos that's out there already. But it's pretty straightforward. It's sitting right there, and I also have in my audio monitor. Audio monitor is a great extension, by the way, which I'm sure you all know about because it's been around forever. But basically, you can set up in your Elgato. Let's go here and go to your filters, and you can create an audio monitor connection. Here, add audio monitor. That's something you have to download, by the way. And of course, once you get into there, you can set the device you want to use. So for example, this is going to my headset, my PC headset. We can come over here. Going to my PC headset, and I've got volume settings. It's linked to be deactivated when the main blah blah blah. This is all too much minutia. But basically, I have an audio monitor set up so I can hear it in my head. Anyhow, I've rambled on enough about this. It's fairly quick and simple. You hook up the hardware, the device shows up in your device manager all by itself. You come into OBS, you set up a video device, a video capture device, name it, and turn on the custom audio source. Select the Elgato HD60X, and it shows up, and then you can configure it however you want to work with your OBS. And there you go. That's pretty much it. It's pretty straightforward, huh? Okay, so now let's actually go and play some games with it. Alright. First of all, let's look at how snappy this is. Okay, when I say 1, I'm going to be starting my turn. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, so now we're going to see, so far I've seen no weird screen glitching happening, which is good because, you know, just walking towards things like this drawing were causing refresh, big pixel blocks that aren't showing up anymore. Alright, let's play this game and see what happens. Back away from the monster. Come over here. There it is.
I really like what you drew me way back.
Okay. That's 1. I don't know how many there are.
You're into art, right?
2?
You could audit an art class.
How did it get there? Oh my god. There was a little bit of lurchiness, but I think that's just the game, honestly. Okay. Alright, so photosensitivity warning. Don't be sensitive. Load game. Sure, I think I'm actually at a place that's kind of difficult for me. I've done this before.
Computer update. Recon established and confirm heavy fortification near enemy comm facility.
People are dying everywhere. Oops, got hit. So, there's something... Oops, am I out of bullets? Oh, yeah, that's right. There's a thing that goes on with this, game. Wow. That sucked. Alright, when I first did this, I was freaking out because, my right trigger suddenly got sticky. And, honestly, what I found out was that, screw you, dog. What I found out was that, for some reason, the PlayStation 5 triggers have variable resistance on them, and this game, for some reason, sets them off. I think I'm going to have to use the PlayStation 4 controller on this. I don't think it was intentional on their part, but the gun trigger is actually very sticky in this game. It doesn't do it in any other game I've played. It's just in this game. Alright, now we're going to play Nier Automata because it's a much more smoother motion than the other game, and we're going to see if we have issues with motion, if we have issues with pixelization, and you know, all those things. It's boring times like this that I wish I was good at making jokes. But I'm really not. God, she's pretty. Oh, hi guys. Look at you. Aren't you all just so bubbly? That seems to have worked much better. Okay. So. Just watching the grass move around and trying not to get killed. That would be good. Alright, there's a lot of atmosphere in this game. And it's there to hide things teleporting in, like that tree up there that just teleported in. Come on, show me stuff. Oh, tree back there teleported in. Okay, and I saw the building up all the way in the background there. Had a little bit that just teleported in. There. A whole bunch of trees just teleported in. But that's not a problem with the game card. That's a problem with the game itself, loading things in as we go. Okay. Alright. Let's go get killed. This is a hard game to play, because basically we're bouncing around trying to hit the stupid little ball. Oops. And not get hit by that. And now we've got to deal with this guy. And yes, I'm not playing it on easy. Right, now I have 2 snakes. Whoops. Hi there. They're trying to triangulate me. Oh, there's 3 snakes. Oh, thank God. Took care of that part. Now I just have to deal with 3 snakes. Sorry. Had to get somewhere I could do this without, pop myself into the other location, that is, without running into the potential of getting killed in the process. I did say we were gonna get killed here, right? Yeah. Self-fulfilling prophecies. As you can see, everything looks much cleaner, much higher resolution, and yeah. So I think we're done here. So I'm gonna go play some games or something, and I hope you all enjoyed this video, and hopefully you liked it. Subscribe, all that wonderful stuff that we all want you to do to help us with our algorithms. And yeah, so I hope you had fun today. I hope it wasn't a complete waste of time, and I hope to see you again real soon. Bye!